Hello, beautiful entities. I hope all is well with any and everyone who is witnessing this video. So, as you can clearly see by the title, I am presenting you all with a social challenge. Now, the details of this challenge will be revealed later on within the video. So, until then, hang with me. Let me further explain what the rebuild is about. This channel is dedicated to breaking down those social constructs which have continuously broken us down. They have divided us, they have placed us within boxes, put a tightly sealed label across them, and said, this is who you are, this is where you belong, so now go and perform. If you're tired of performing someone else's script, living by someone else's narrative, and you wish to write your own story, live your own truth, okay? Walk in your own purpose. This is the platform for you. Over here it's a safe space. It's a non-judgmental space. We're not judging over here. We're going to be able to express ourselves openly, freely, honestly, but lovingly. Okay? If you desire to live your authentic truth, and you're ready to break free of those chains of division, those chains of conforming to what worked for someone else possibly or not. And you just want to do what resonates with you. You know, as long as it's not detrimental to you or someone else, let's do it. Come over here. Let's be happy. Let's be free, open, and honest, and break down these social constructs and rebuild the identities that we wish to see and project to the world. This is the space for you. Come on, let's do it together. Let's support one another. Really, let's subscribe to one another. Let's build one another up. Okay, we're ascending over here to happiness. Okay, and we must break the social constructs that continually divide us. And one of the main social constructs that has done this and continues to do this is the establishment of social standing. Social stratification literally categorizes us, okay, into layers based on wealth, occupation, race, gender, so forth and so on, okay? It's asinine to me because we do not all enter this realm on equal footing. Okay, we don't all have access to the same resources that will allow us to attain, okay, these things, okay, maybe a higher or better occupation because we were able to receive education, okay, or a higher quality of education. It's asinine, it's not fair, it's inequitable, it makes no sense. Okay, and it just reinforces this notion of superiority and inferiority. Okay, it makes us feel as though we're somehow different. Like if you're in the upper class, then you're better. You're superior to the beings in the middle or the lower class. How is this even possible when we all do not possess access, okay, to the same resources that would put us in a better position, not necessarily a higher position, but a better one that would improve the overall quality of our lives. It's not fair. It's inequitable. And if we're ever going to break these chains of inequality and division, we need to connect with one another. We need to reach out to one another. We need to support one another. We need to accept one another for who we innately are. But first, we need to accept ourselves. You know, we need to know who we are authentically because they've blinded us with so many things that some of us are clueless. We're just, going along with the ride, performing, doing whatever they tell us we should be doing, living whatever roles, performing whatever roles they told us we should be based on an assigned gender, sex, religion, race, okay? And they've ascribed the characteristics, the traits, the roles. And we're just going along for the program, and it doesn't even feel good to our souls. So let's stop. If you're ready to stop, join me here. This is us. This is us over here. It's no you and I. This is we and us. We're interconnected, and we need each other. So let's do it. Okay, so the challenge is for you to please go and communicate. Go and have a conversation with someone that you wouldn't necessarily have a conversation with on a day-to-day basis. You know, the person that you're like, nah, not my cup of tea. Nah, they have a different religion, a different perceived orientation. Their style of dress, not for me. Not over here. They're over there. Connect with those people. Have a conversation with those individuals, the ones that you think are so inherently different, that you perceive to be so inherently different. Tell me, why did you pick that person? How did the conversation go? Don't miss me with any of the juicy details. I need all the details. What transpired? Did you find out something new? Did you find out that you have more in common than what you initially thought you ever would? And this can take place in any environment. It can be that coworker that you see, but you may just nod to, smile and wave. Maybe not even that person. Introduce yourself. See if you really don't have anything in common. And just tell me. Like, why did you pick them? How did it go? How did the conversation go? Did you learn anything new? Hopefully you were enlightened. And just come here and comment below all the details, please. Let's all share. And I hope you take on the challenge so you can see that we're more alike than we are different, okay? We experience the same emotions, okay? We have a lot of the same desires. We want to be loved, accepted, valued, heard, okay? We experience emotions like happiness and sadness and fear. Please, I just want us to love one another, support one another, and protect one another. It is imperative. If we're ever going to change the state of the world, if we're ever going to have equitable circumstances, situations, we have got to learn to love and support and protect one another. But first, we have to interact. We have to interact with one another. Okay? It is imperative. So I hope you take the challenge. Please don't forget to come back, comment, tell me how it went. Let's share with one another here, because this is we over here. This is us over here. We're ascending to greater heights over here. We're about to live our true, authentic selves, and we're about to be beyond happy over here. So I thank you in advance, and may peace and the Creator be with you all. Thank you.